Alright guys, today the engine light came on this Yaris. It's a '07 Yaris. The engine light code, it said it's a p0441 and p0. Oh wow, it got disconnected. Alright, let me try to reconnect it again. Alright guys, the code was p0441 and p0455. This has to do with the gas cap, and I guess I'm gonna have to replace the gas cap on this Yaris. And let me just show you the engine light right there, and then the miles on this car. Only has 108,000 miles on it. So once I replace the gas cap, the engine light shouldn't come back on, and then I'll make another video to give you guys let you guys know how what the results were, you know, after resetting and changing the gas cap. The gas cap runs for about $7 to $12 at O'Reilly's, and I think it's, and then you could try this on your camera. If you have a Camry from '02 and up, you could try it on the Corolla. You could try this on the Yaris. They all have the similar codes for the gas cap going bad. And yeah, just follow me on YouTube. Thank you, and have a good one. Bye bye.